Okay, you guys, so still it's cranking, no starting. I did take this out of control valve back out, retracing my steps. Sounds pretty good. Okay, so I was wondering what that buzzing noise was, and it's actually the idle control valve. Is it supposed to do this? Listen as I plug it up, if I can get it one-handed. All right, give me a second. Okay, so it's actually buzzing in my hand right now. You can't hear it until I put it up here. See, that's what that buzzing sound is, the idle control valve. Is it supposed to buzz like this? It's just buzzing, vibrating. Nothing is happening. Could this be the solution to my no start? It cranks but does not start. Idle control valve is still just going. I have the key in the second position. Let's see here. I'm gonna turn it off. What's up, bro? You ain't got no gut, man. I'm talking about cigarette. Oh, okay, so I turned the key off and it's no longer buzzing or anything. As soon as I turn the key on, it just buzzes. Is it supposed to do this? I mean, as long as I leave the key on, it would just keep. That's all it would do. Might give me some help. Also, I checked the power distribution to it, and all three of them was grounded out. I put this on the positive cable, and then I checked each wire, and it lit up, saying that it's grounded. Then I put this on the negative, and I checked each one, and only the middle one right here lit up, indicating power. Check all hoses on this side where I was working at. Nothing seems to have any cracks or anything. Lower intake loop looks good. No cracks in it or anything. Somebody help me out and let me know what's going on here, man. The disser right here, that's pretty good. I mean, other than the damn, the gasket needs to be, fixed. But that shouldn't cause a no start, I don't think. Because that's actually inside the housing. The gasket on the outside still has a little roundness to it, a little. You can see I'm cutting myself up. So yeah, guys. Give me one more shout out. Let me know what's the cause of this. I also checked power and ground to the starter. That had good power and good ground. I don't know what else to do. Make sure everything's